Good morning, students. These days we are doing model test paper, and model test paper number 3 we are doing. Section A and B we have discussed, and today it is the turn of section C. Section C means your grammar section, and you know very well that there are 3 types of question. One is editing, the second one is sentence rearranging, and the third one the topics that has been given to you people. The questions are on the basis of that. So the first one is your editing, means error finding. Let us see what is that. Okay, let us read it. It is on your screen. One day Kezia has cold and stays indoor. Her grandmother suggested her that she can make a pin cushion for her father's birthday last week. Kezia uses a beautiful piece of yellow silk to make it. She used double cotton and stitches 3 sides. Now she needs something to fill it. She walked in her parents' bedroom. So, I have made underline the words that are incorrect, means that are not used properly, or you can say the error. Errors are underlined by me so that you can find them easily and you can do them. So, what is the answer? Let us try to find out. One day Kezia has cold and stayed indoor, because it has been started one day had. It indicates that the tense is past. So one day Kezia had cold and stayed indoors. Her grandmother suggested her that she could make, because we are talking about the past tense, so it is she could make a pin cushion for her father's birthday. Last week it is written, the birthday is the next week. Kezia used a beautiful piece of yellow silk to make it. Used in place of uses, it is used. She used double cotton and stitched 3 sides. Now she needed something to fill it. She walked in her parents' bedroom. So, these are the mistakes I have underlined so that you can solve them. And we have discussed the answer also. In place of stays, it is stayed. Can, could. Last, next. Use is used. Stitch is stitched. Needs, needed. Fine. Now see the second one. Second question is your sentence rearranging. You have to rearrange the the words to make a meaningful sentences. The group of words has been given to you. The group of words is there, that is not in a proper order. We have to order them. We have to write a correct sentence that is meaningful. So let us try one or two. The first one. Their floor the dust on is. So there is dust on the floor. There is dust on the floor. The next one, my friend is letter writing was. So my friend was writing letter. Third one, ink the is ink pot the in. The ink is in the ink pot. The ink is in the ink pot. Fourth one, is manager the coffee the inn. Office the inn. The manager is in the office. And the fifth one, today rush a great there is. There is a great rush today. There is a great rush today. So these are the sentence rearranging. You write the answers. No need of writing the questions, only answer you can write. Now see the next one. The chapter it is phrase and clause. So today the questions that I have selected for you are that you have to identify whether it is the adjective clause, adverb clause or the noun clause. 3 clauses are there and you have to identify which clause is this. The answer has been written. See number 1. Let us read it. He is the person who came late. He is the person who came late. So the quality of the person has been described, you can see. So it's adjective clause. Who came late, adjective. She went where I went. She went where I went. So we have to tell about where I went. It is telling about the place. So when the place is indicated, then it is adverb clause. Then the next one, this is the house which belongs to him. This is the house which belongs to him. So which belongs to him is the quality of the house. So it is also the adjective clause. The next one, thank you for your present which you gave me. Here also we are discussing about the present, then also it is the adjective clause. And the last one, this is the water whose well is sweet. Again the quality of the water, whose water is sweet, then again it is the adjective clause. The answer has been written for you. Now see, this is active and passive. See the active voice. What do you want? What is wanted by you? It is interrogative and the tense is present. What do you want? Then it is answer is what is wanted by you when we are writing in passive. The second one, who stole your pen? By whom was your pen stolen? See, stole is the past form, and when past form is there, we have used was. By whom was your pen stolen? By whom was your pen stolen? And in the end it is question mark. So it is your section C. 3 questions are here. One is your editing, means error finding. The another is your sentence rearranging. Third one is your clause, and the fourth one is your active and passive voice. So today you solve them in your notebook and submit the PDF to me. Tomorrow we shall discuss the part D. So bye students.